So, meron ka bang pangarap ngayon? Kung wala pa, mangarap ka ng better things. Sometimes, after we succeeded on one thing, naging successful tayo, mistap na tayo. Parang it's time na makikita mo yung mga outside. Positive day delivers, this is Doc, shall be added unto you. Ang ibig sabihin mga pain na. So, second is to be more wise para maging righteous. Start your journey on how to become rich. Thank you very much. Let's go, let's go. Positive Day Delivers, this is Dr. Gigi Sunga from Mike and James Project. Magandang umaga sa lahat ng ma-delivers natin. And sa first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click mo na po yan, Doc Gigi Sunga. And sa lahat ng magustong magpa-hold sa atin online. And if you want to have business consultation with me sa lahat ng may negosyo, if you want to keep your business moving in spite of COVID-19, message ka lang 0939-5254311 or sa aking FB page, Dr. Gigi Sunga. Alright, so book review muna tayo ngayon. Total Recall by Arnold Schwarzenegger. Yan. So, ano ba yung naging kasaysayan ni Arnold Schwarzenegger? And, I'll be discussing 6 things na ginawa niya para siya yumaman at manatiling mayaman. Kasi mahalaga na ikaw yung mayaman at manatili kang mayaman. Tandaan natin yan. Kasi maraming yumaman, hindi na natiling mayaman. So, kailangan maging mayaman ka and at the same time, manatili kang mayaman. Yan ang isang ating pag-aaralan, okay? And at present, actually, sinushoot natin ang ating e-course, How to Start Your Scalable Business. Nag-intro na tayo. Siguro yung succeeding nasa ano tayo, nasa kotse. So, pwede na kayo mag-order. May e-course is only 3,500 pesos. So, doon sa mga naunang nag-message, may discount na po kayo, 50%. Pero sa mga mag-message ngayon, wala na po kayong discount. Okay? Give us 2 weeks or 1 week lang para ma-receive nyo na po how to start your scalable business. Not just a business, but a scalable business. And salamat ako sa aking assistant ngayon. I care. Gusto mo pakita? So, si Kier, assistant ko yan, napakabait na bata niyan. At isa sa mga judges sa TikTok, tama? So, may kasama siya magja-judge, si Ma'am Marivi, siya, tsaka kami tatlo magja-judge. Let's go, TikTok contest. So, kasi sabi ng UNICEF, sa panahon na to, kailangan kasama sa routine natin. And not only UNICEF, but also psychologists advise us na kailangan meron tayong entertainment part sa buhay natin. Kailangan natatawa tayo ng konti kasi otherwise, puro tayo worries, takot. So, what will happen to us? Okay? So, yan isa natin announcement. And second announcement natin, patuloy po ang ating 1K drive for COVID-19. So, sa lahat ng frontliners natin, 1K lang po, pwede na kayong tumulong through GDS Corporate Training. And last announcement, lahat na may negosyo, if you want to keep it moving, I have a 1-hour consultation with Doc Gigi. So, I'll teach you social media, ano gagawin mo yung social media mo, sa marketing strategies, sa clients, how to maintain your clients this time. Okay? Alright, so Total Recall. Okay? Sir Arnold. Alright, so ano ba yung mga ginawa niya? So, I'm going to show you 6 or discuss ko sa inyo. Break lang natin ngayon kasi nag-shooting tayo. Nag-break lang tayo ng konti kasi I need to vlog 1, 2, or 3 a day. Let's have a coffee. Mag-coffee po tayo, mga delivers. Ang coffee daw nakakatulong ngayon sa COVID-19, sama ng tea. Tama ba? Okay, so number 1. Arnold, okay, ganito. I-discuss ko to kasi pwede siyang mangyari sa'yo. Alright? Pwede kang yumaman at manatiling mayaman. So, number 1, sa book ni Arnold po, Total Recall. Okay, book review tayo. Number 1, he was born ordinary. Ordinaryong buhay, ordinaryong magulang, ordinaryong lugar. Baka mas advanced pa yung lugar mo So, he was born in, he was born in a year of famine in a small Austrian town. The son of an police chief po siya. Alright? So, ordinary ang buhay ni Arnold Schwarzenegger. Very ordinary. So, kung ikaw yung pinanganak na simple lang nanay tatay mo, simple lang kayo magkakapatid, it's just the same. Alright? Pinanganak ka sa poor village, mas poor ang village ni Arnold. Kasi, sinasabi nga ni Kier, kasi nababanggit ko to sa seminar ko, na nagigib sila, walang power, so yung tubig na ginamit niya, ginamit pa nung kuya niya, or baligtad, parang something like that. So, he was born ordinary, from ordinary parents, ordinary family, in an ordinary place, okay? So, just like you were born ordinary, with ordinary parents, ordinary siblings, and ordinary place, alright? That's first. Second, he wanted to move to a better place. So, aside po dito, But he dreamed of moving to America. Nung lumalaki si Arnold, naisip niya na, I need to leave this place. I want to go to America for something. For something. For a dream. Alright? So, he wanted to move to a better place. That is in America. So, gusto niya magpunta sa Amerika eh. So, yun yung gusto niya mangyari. Okay? So, he wanted to move from ordinary place, from ordinary people na nakakahalubilo niya. Gusto niya mapunta siya doon sa kakaibang lugar. To a better place, better people maybe, to better opportunity for a dream. Alright? So, if you are living in an ordinary place right now, with ordinary people, you can leave that place. Okay? For your dream. Kailangan may dream ka muna. Kailangan meron ka muna why. Meron kang purpose. Di ba sabi ni Simon Sinek, start with your dream. Meron siyang dream eh. Meron siyang pangarap, mabagong buhay niya. That's why he wants to leave that place. So, meron ka bang pangarap ngayon? Kung wala pa, mangarap ka ng better things. It can be your own business. It can be a career. It can be a very good family. So, whatever you wanted to dream, may kapalit yan, you have to leave that ordinary place. Saan ka ngayon? Anong lugar na kinalalagyan mo? Baka sometimes you need to leave that place to have a better life. Right? Third thing na ginawa ni Arnold, he succeeded earlier. At 21, he was crowned as Mr. Universe. 21 years old. He succeeded early. Alright? You can also succeed early. Kasi, nung lumipat na siya sa Amerika, ang naging focus niya na lang, ginagawa niya everyday, yung matupad yung pangarap niya. Okay? So, pag iniwan mo yung lugar na yan, kailangan nakafocus ka. Lumipat, let's say for example, nasa province ka, nagpunta ka ng Manila because you wanted to do something. Okay? After ng COVID, alright? So, nandun ka na sa Manila, ang magiging focus mo lang, yung pangarap mo. So that you will succeed early. Yung iba kasi, 5 years na sa Manila, 10 years na sa Manila, wala pa rin nangyari sa buhay nila. Ang ganda na ng career mo dyan, ang ganda na ng negosyo na tagpuan mo, ang ganda na ng partnership, ang husay ng boss mo, ang bait ng boss mo. Pero personal, wala pa rin nangyayari sa pangarap mo. Kasi hindi ka nag-focus sa pangarap mo. Right? Okay, so, he succeeded earlier. Eh, Doc, anong age ko na yan? 30 na ako, 40 na ako, 50 na ako, pwede. I started my new life when I was 43. I'm 46 right now, turning 47. Alright? Late. Pag tinignan na iba. Pero for me, it's just a good start. Kasi ngayon lang tayo nag-mature siguro. Tapos na tayo sa lahat ng mga bagay, experiments and everything. Though, iniisip ko nga, I'm late. Pero okay lang din. At least, nabago pa rin buhay natin. Di ba? Okay, number 4 na ginawa ni Arnold is he followed that success to another success. One success, then one more success. Di ba? Alam niyo, ito yung sinasabi ko eh. Sometimes, after we succeeded on one thing, naging successful tayo, missed up na tayo. Pero si Arnold, hindi siya nag-stop. He became millionaire with his business, real estate, and landscaping. So, naging Mr. Universe siya, that's already success, pero hindi siya minto doon. Ano pong ginawa niya? Nag-venture siya into real estate and landscaping business. Yun ay sinasabi ko. He was able to maintain his success. Marami sa atin, may tagumpay na isang bagay, pero after that, we stop. Bumabalik ulit tayo sa ordinary life. Hindi na nga, successful ka na. You have to maintain that. Yumaman ka na, i-maintain mo na yung pagiging mayaman. Hindi yumaman ka ngayon, after 2 years, mahirap ka na uli. Okay? If you are succeeding in one area of your life right now, halimbawa, nakapag-launch ka ng 10 book, wow, that's success. Okay? Sundan mo na isa pa. Sundan mo na ng isa pa o ibang bagay, ibang success. Alright? So, Number 5 na ginawa ni Arnold is, he followed, so meron siyang success, nagkaroon ng another success, then he followed bigger success. Okay? Maunlad, may pagunlad, at mas malaking pagunlad. Because he became the world's biggest movie star. That's it. Bigger success. Diba? So, meron siyang success na natamasa, so naging successful siya ulit. You're able to write a book. Ngayon, magturo ka na ng pagsusulat ng libro. That's bigger success. Diba? So, something like that. Okay? Okay, yeah. So, that's what I'm telling you. So, you have to be successful, then magkaroon pa ng more success and bigger success. You need to maintain that. So, hindi pwedeng naging successful tayo, tapos, mamaya, before knowing it, wala na pa tayo sa limelight, so hindi na tayo successful, okay? Ika-anim na ginawa ni Arnold Schwarzenegger ay, so, he diversified himself, right? So, from, Mr. Universe, so, nagkaroon siya ng mga business, like real estate and landscaping. Then, he was the biggest, international movie star. Then, he became the governor of California, diversifying himself, right? So, from that bodybuilder thing, so, business and now a politician, okay? So, you have to diversify yourself, right? So, wala namang masama if you diversify yourself. Marami na tayo nakitang ganyan. Manny Pacquiao did that, di ba? From being our icon, the boxer, #1 boxer, all over the world ba yan? O, ilang title? Nakailang title ba sa iyo, Manny?
8 division.
8 divisions? Ang talino ni Kerr. Kaya hindi ko akalain nasasagot mo yan. Thank you. So, 8 divisions ang napanalunan niya. And now, ngayon, isa sa mga hinahangaan natin senador, di ba? So, Sir Manny, so, meron naka-quarantine ba siya ngayon? Hindi naman, no? So, salamat, Senator, kasi you keep on, inspiring people. Thank you very much. Ikaw talaga yung, hindi nagbago. Isa kang, parang if you were going to define what is a good heart, that's Manny Pacquiao. Alright? Okay, so, he diversified himself. You can also diversify yourself. Okay? So, kung ikaw ngayon ay, balik tayo sa example natin kanina, if you are a writer, so you can do other things. You can become a coach now, you can become a consultant. Doc Gigi, ikaw ba yan? Why not? Diba? You diversify yourself. Okay? You have your own business. So, madami tayong pwedeng gawin. Okay? So, you can follow these 6 steps na ginawa ni Arnold Schwarzenegger. Okay? Alright? So, summarize lang natin. Actually, 3 bagay yon. 1, move out from that place. You have to leave that place behind if you want to reach your goal. Okay? So, iwanan yung mga bagay na yan o kaya naman yan, lugar mismo na yan. Kung walang opportunity dyan, you create your own opportunity. Kung di ka rin makakreate, baka kailangan lumayo ka ng konti. Go to the center. That is Manila. Okay? Or the nearest city in your province. Okay? It might help you. Okay? Second, maintain the success. Okay? Alright? So, have one success, one more, and another one. Alright? And, diversify. Alright? Okay, so these are the things na natutunan natin kay Sir Arnold sa Total Recall. So please buy this. Oh, nabili ko lang to somewhere, parang naka-sale pa to eh. Pero it's a big help. Hindi pa siya natatapos, siguro nasa 1/4 pa lang tayo. Pero nakita ko na yung mga lessons, okay? Alright, again, if you need consultation for your business, 1 hour with Doc Gigi, message nyo lang ako. And ngayon may mga clients pa rin tayo, care, nagpapa-coach. Isa personal development, isa naman how to become a rockstar speaker, how to do your own e-course, and ano pa ba? How to scale your business, and how biblical principles on how to become rich. Ayan mga e-courses natin. So if you want to avail, message ka lang sa akin, and open po rin tayo for online coaching on how to prepare yourself after lockdown. Okay? Alright, so please share this video sa lahat ng mga kaibigan natin. Kahit OFW o dito sa Pilipinas, para sama-sama tayong mabago tumula natin buhay. Thank you very much, Gigi. Enjoy the rest of the day. Yan. Let's go.